Two, just want to share with you my scooter. So I have an 1800 watt scooter. That's the only name that I know that of. But I've had the scooter now about 3 years. Been pretty good and solid, and reliable. So I'm gonna show you what's going on. Check it out. So this is my 1800 watt scooter, and I did a few upgrades. So this is a light that I bought off of eBay, and if you can see, I got it kind of like zip tied on there. And show you the light. Hold the button down. That's just how bright the light is. That's normal, and that's low. Flashing. Then I got a little top light at the top right there, and that's pretty much is off. All right, and then I bought this mirror off Amazon, which they're pretty good mirrors. I can see pretty good around me. They don't shake bad to the point where you can't see anything. Excuse my fan being loud. I'm inside my garage where it's kind of hot, a little bit warm, not hot anymore, but warm. So bought this off Amazon. It's like a little direction button right here. So if I push this little turn signal here, and it will come around here. You see we got turn signals. So these are Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, however you want to call it. So I got a back one. And then if I go back up here, press this one, and then it goes to the other side. And that would just like a quick tap, it goes off. And then if I want like parking lights, top one right here. Oops, let's see here. That's brake light. Well, now actually parking lights right there. So when I tap right here, it's parking lights. See? Then we come back around here to the front. So I just have to charge these like maybe once every 2 weeks, somewhere around there. And if I tap that back, it goes into a flashing mode. And then off. Okay, so you can see zip tie, they call like rig it up, aluminum scrap and everything, which is cool. And the other beautiful thing I like about this scooter is has 10-inch wheels. Okay, 10-inch wheels, and it has a 1800 watt motor. Knobby ties in the back, shocks on the front. And then I bought the seat just for a little bit more extra cushion to sit down on. That's a pretty good seat. It's a lever here, you loosen it up, raise, slide up, seat up. And I can take this pole right out like this. I'm gonna sit it over here on my bench. And then right here, this is a fold down right here. Pull that down and the whole scooter fold down. The scooter weighs about 75 pounds. It's got a little weight to it. And so this is a light that I bought off of Amazon. I paid 16 bucks, something like that for it. And if I come right here, put my key in. Right down in there. The GoPro picks it up. See, I put my key in, turn it on. Alright, let me switch hands here. And you can see right there, indicator lights, forward, medium, needs charging, the red. Okay. And if you see back here, so with the key on, I have parking lights. And if I hit the brakes, brake lights. So I got all this wired into the factory controller that came with this scooter. Okay. So I'm gonna turn it off. And let's see if I can get this open over here. And so up under here, what I done was the battery that came with it was a 48 volt, and so I upgraded to a 52 volts. Let's see here. I did have this where I had a zip tie in here. Pull that up, so right in here, so it's a 52 volt battery. Okay, and the controller is down in between there. Okay, now I cut this hole in here because when I first got the scooter, The wires, everything just get like crazy hot, especially around on the motor side. So I brought it to the outside. It ain't the prettiest looking, but it works because with the air coming by, it just helps keeps the cool, because you got to lose energy somewhere. So it helps keeps it cool. So I've done that right there. So my next upgrade is to this sprocket right here is a T8 sprocket, but it's a 11 tooth. So I order a 12 tooth. So I want to go up 1 tooth. And then this motor here is supposed to be a 2,000 watt motor, but I can't tell the difference between a 2,000 watt motor and a 1800 motor. This is an 1800 watt motor right here. So if you can see, ain't very much different between the two. So that's a lesson learned. You know, a lot of time they lie about what the wattage is just to sell you something for a few extra bucks. But other than that, this has been a rock solid scooter. Let me rev it up for you right quick so you kind of like see it has variable. Barely turn the sprocket. So you can see. Shake it like a wildcat. Okay. I think I'm gonna have to like loosen up my chains a little bit. But I'm intending to take the motor off anyway, because I watched some guy on YouTube where he did a mod where he just made his holes a little bit bigger. That's what I want to do, make my holes a little bit bigger. But anyway, this has been a really cool scooter. The other thing that I like about it is that when it's on the ground, it has really good ground clearance. So, you know, unlike a lot of the other newer scooters, they're faster and everything, you know, but this right here has really good ground clearance. So I definitely have some more plans or mods to do to this scooter. But like I said, you can find these on eBay, Amazon, a lot of different places, you know, for right now I think they're going like for 15. When I bought this one, it was like 1,100. That's what I paid for it. So I like the fact that it's a DC brushless motor rather than hubs. So it's much more easier to diagnose what the problem is. You know, nothing against hubs are great. Each setup has its advantage and disadvantages to them, you know. And so like you got the little shock here in the front and everything. Then you got the little shocks on the side. You can find these on Amazon. So I'm thinking about upgrading these to something a little bit better. But other than that, it's a pretty rock solid scooter. So this is what they call the 1800 watt scooter. So if you're interested in buying one, you can just find them online. But anyway, peace out. If you like, subscribe, comment, tell me what you think. All right, everyone have a great day. Peace out. Bye.